Hello, sixth grade. I want to take this time. I have to redo this video, so this is the video redone, explaining your internet safety Padlet. So to get started on this, the instructions for this assignment are in Google Classroom, down here, Internet Safety Poster. When you open that up, you'll have a document. Here are the instructions. So every good poster is going to have some kind of logo that catches one's attention to the poster. So what we want to do is we want to come up with a 3 to 5 word catchy logo dealing with internet safety. Internet safety meaning we want to keep ourselves and promote others to be safe against internet predators, people who are trying to start or have an unhealthy, inappropriate relationship with kids or young teenagers online. So this logo you need to come up with is 3 to 5 words long, and you're going to create something fun with it using a website called cooltext.com. All right, cooltext.com looks like this. Now, when we are in cooltext.com, we want to use a logo that is very easy to read, but is not animated like this, because we're going to put it on a poster that's not going to be animated. Okay, you could spend hours of time at this website. I would encourage you just to do something pretty simple and quick. Okay, so find one that is easy to read. I particularly think some of these are very hard to read, so please be very careful with these, like this here and this here. Okay, find something just very straightforward, easy to read. Okay, once you click on it, it will take you to a page that looks like this. Be very careful with these extra pop-ups that come up around it, because that's not cooltext.com. All right, so right here in the box, I'm going to type my logo. Okay, might even want to use caps lock, so I don't have to worry about appropriate capitalization. You can make that decision. Okay, you can decide, do you want your logo to all be in one line? Do you want to spread it out amongst 3 lines? Okay, how do you want it to look? Hopefully you're not quite as creative as my internet safety logo. Okay, so there's some different things you can do with this. Okay, when you are ready to move forward, you click Create Logo. Then it's going to give you another option to really double check and look everything over. Otherwise, you can go back and edit. But if it's exactly how you want it, you click Download. Okay, now this will show up in your downloads. I tend to like to put my download information on my desktop, so I can just drag it over like this. Okay, as you can see over here on the left side of your screen, and then it will show up on your desktop. Notice how I drag a lot of junk on my desktop. I got to clean this up. Okay, so now I'm ready to move on to the next part of this. Okay, now you're going to head into Padlet.com. You're going to log in using your Google account, and we've already started an Internet Safety Padlet. So I'm going to close these so I can actually show you what I'm talking about. So Padlet.com, Padlet.com. Okay, these are all the Padlets we have created. We're going to open our Internet Safety Padlet, just like this. All right, and so here I am. All right, the first thing that it tells you to do is to click on the gear. So you find the title of the page and your description. Your name is going to go in the description. And then we're going to work on the wallpaper section. So when it says a gear in the upper right, excuse me, here is your gear. We're going to modify the page. Here's the title, Internet Safety. For the description, you have some kind of fluffy description in there. Change that to your name, your last initial, and your class period, 8 or 9. Okay, then it next talks to you about changing your wallpaper to your logo that you created in Cool Text. So I go down below, here are my wallpaper options. Okay, I want to go to More. And then here is where it tells you to add your own. So I add my own. And then my Cool Text one is on my desktop. Some of you have it in your downloads. Okay, so you can find it by clicking and choosing image, or I can drag it in. Okay, it's thinking and loading it, thinking and loading, and there it is. Now, if I click on this arrow, oops, I just didn't save it. Let me try it again. Sorry. Okay, then up here, once it loads, I'm going to click on OK, or I thought it said save, but okay, there it is. Okay, now how do I want it to be in the background? It's going to come in really, really big. So if I want to be able to see it better, I probably want to choose this tile option right here. So I'm going to click on tile, and then I can see it, and it's just tiled throughout my page. Okay, so I exit, okay, click on save, then back out of there. So here is my page. Now on my page, you're going to create some different posts. Okay, you have a post, okay, for ways you use digital media. Now, we already started on that, okay, so I think it was ways I connect digitally. The instructions say to call this my digital life. Either way, what are all the different ways that you use all different devices, laptops, tablets, phones, that you connect, okay, to other people, to networks using digital media? Okay, so how do you create? How do you collaborate? How do you share? What do you do all throughout the day using digital media? That's one of your boxes. Another thing on this is you're going to have a box called Internet Safety Rules to Live By. Now, we did this one last week, and I think we called it Ways to Stay Safe Online, Ways I Stay Safe Online. Okay, now remember, though, that these are titles. We need appropriate capitalization, okay, but that is the information you're going to have in there. I would say you're going to have at least 4 to 6 ways you can stay safe from online predators online. Okay, at least 3 to 5 ways you connect digitally online. So you're going to add those to those boxes, type those in a list. You can create your bullets, whatever works for you there. Then the last part is you're going to find a YouTube video geared to internet safety, 5 minutes or less, from a credible source. Make sure it focuses on internet safety, not cyberbullying, not netiquette, not digital citizenship. Here's a couple examples of credible sources. So if I head out to YouTube, okay, I can search. I might want to even search using NetSmarts as one of my credible sources. Okay, maybe internet safety for middle school. Okay, then you actually want to watch the video. Notice this one's over 6 minutes. This one's over 21. This one's over 7. You want 5 minutes or under. You have to actually watch the video. Make sure it's age appropriate. Okay, age appropriate. This to me looks a little young. Okay, age appropriate.
Hey kids.
Watch the entire thing through. When you figure out that it's the one you want to use, then you get this address at the top. You select it. Command-C to copy on a Mac. Command-C on a Mac. I think it's Control-C on different devices. Command-C copies it. Then you go to your internet safety. You double-click to add a post. Okay, you can call it video. Then here's the link. You're going to paste the link, and you're going to click save. And then it's going to upload your video from YouTube. And this is your internet safety Padlet. Now, hopefully you're not going to use this one because this to me looks pretty for young kids. I want yours to be appropriate for middle schoolers. Let me know if you have any further questions when you're ready to turn in this Padlet. This right here is the address that you will copy and paste into Google Classroom. All right, thank you.